This presentation is about the RealTalk app and how it can be used for post-secondary planning. The RealTalk app is free and it can be used as a mobile or web-based application. It actually uses crowdsourcing to gain personal stories about real people and their career pathways. I think students will love the personal nature of this app and be inspired by the individual journeys people took to their jobs. It also has some really interesting careers that students can look into. Let's first take a look at some of the positive features in this app. The job profiles are the main part of this app. These profiles are more than just a job description. They give a personal question and answer section where the person answers a series of questions relating to high school, after high school, and work. The person also shares advice about his or her career and the pathway he or she took to get to it. Each profile will then link the student to post-secondary programs they may wish to pursue for this particular job. Teachers in all subject areas can use these profiles as a way to get students to look at the careers related to the subject they are studying in class. Another great feature is the means to keep track of profiles you connect with by bookmarking them. Links to resources can also be added to your account's My Resources page so they can easily be accessed later. Guidance counselors could use this with their students to help them organize possible career choices or programs of interest. The app also offers many ways to explore careers. You can pick to look at careers categorized by your interests, your gender, or look at what is currently popular with users and trending on the app. Again, this tool would be great for guidance counselors to use with students who are struggling to choose a career to pursue or a post-secondary pathway to follow. Now, let's take a look at some of the negative aspects of this app. With each job profile, there is an insights box. This box gives the potential salary range for the career and then relates this to different costs of living expenses. I question whether these related expenses are realistic without some very conscious financial planning. As a result, I think students will get an unrealistic image of what their finances will look like with this career of choice. Overall, the app provides some very interesting careers, but does not necessarily present how difficult the career can be to get into without the right personality or connections. This unrealistic hope it presents is perhaps its main negative in my eyes. As far as its use in the classroom, the RealTalk app offers many possible lesson options. One course it could be used with is the Designing Your Future guidance course. In this course, students must investigate careers and some of the possible issues within the sectors of work they are in. The RealTalk app allows students to do such investigations easily and gain a perspective from a worker in the field of which the job is actually and what the job is actually like. Another course this app could be used in is the Grade 12 College Math course. This course expects students to work with budgeting and financial planning. The RealTalk app provides salary ranges for each career, and thus students can investigate careers of interest and use the given salary profiles to help them budget life expenses based on the salary they could be earning with that particular job. Thanks for listening. Here are some references you can go to for more information.